Porsche are named synonymous with automotive excellence, and Singer renowned for their masterpieces of their reimagined Porsche 911 964s. But what happens when these two icons clash in court? Well, get ready, because court is in session with Porsche versus Singer vehicle design. Before we delve deeper, it's worth noting that Porsche aren't alone in their legal pursuit of custom car modifications. Anybody remember the Ferrari incident with Ferrari? That resulted in the owner having to remove the wrap and refrain from using any Ferrari trademarks in the future. So just because you bought the car, it doesn't mean that you can do anything you like to the car, and apparently, especially if you own a Ferrari. Now, Porsche have always had a different approach to Ferrari with modifications to old 911s and 356s. But it appears somewhere along the line, Singer have overstepped the mark in Porsche's eyes. Welcome back, I'm Scott from Outlaw Garage, and today we're delving into the high stakes battle between Porsche and Singer. Strap in as we explore the controversy behind one of the most talked about legal lawsuits in the automotive community at the moment. Singer vehicle design gained international acclaim for their meticulous restoration and modification of the Porsche 911 964. Their attention to detail and craftsmanship has gained them an almost cult-like following amongst enthusiasts and collectors. Meanwhile, Porsche have a storied history going back to 1948. But why are these automotive powerhouses locked in a legal battle? Well, it all boils down to intellectual property rights. Porsche alleges that Singer have infringed on their intellectual property rights, using trademarks, designs and patents without the proper authorization. This includes aspects of the Porsche 911's design, which obviously Singer modify extensively. Porsche are concerned that allowing Singer to continue with these modifications without the proper approvals in place has the risk of diluting the brand, and that is where the issue lies. Diluting the distinctiveness of the Porsche 911 brand and also creating confusion in the market. Is this a Porsche? Is it a Singer? Is it a Singer Porsche 911? What is it? However, on the other hand, Singer argues that the modifications are transformative, a unique artistic expression of a Porsche 911, distinct from the original Porsche designs. I'm genuinely not sure how they get away with the distinct from the original Porsche designs, but I guess we'll find out on the journey. A Singer representative was quoted as saying, "We respect Porsche's legacy, but we believe our modifications represent a tribute to the classic 911 whilst pushing the boundaries of automotive design." This court filing is under Porsche Cars America, but covers Porsche worldwide. And unfortunately for us watching from the stands, this motion has actually been sealed, which I suspect means there's going to be an out-of-court settlement. Now, fighting dilution of brand for any company is important. If in the future another organisation uses Porsche's design, trademarks, patents without their authorisation, and Porsche hadn't lodged a case against Singer, the organisation could rightly claim Porsche didn't do anything about Singer, therefore, why should we be any different? And all of a sudden, you lose the ability to protect your brand. And this is the reason that I believe Porsche have absolutely lodged the case, but will settle out of court. Singer have recently pulled their advertising and their images for their Porsche 911 Safari, probably to do with the massive Porsche logo on the back and down the side. And even making this video, it is so hard not to say the word Porsche 911 Singer all combined into one. There is such a linkage between the two. I've recorded this a few times. It is so hard to not link the two. There have been a couple of updates to the Singer website, and it now reads, Singer Group restores, reimagines 1989 to 1994 Porsche 911s based on the 964 chassis at the direction of its clients. Singer does not manufacture or sell automobiles. It also goes on to say that Singer are not sponsored, associated, approved, endorsed, nor in any way associated with Porsche North America. It does appear that Singer are stepping away from Porsche on their websites and creating distance around the work that they're doing. However, Porsche, from brand protection and dilution, need to lodge this case to make sure it is on record. How this case plays out is going to be really interesting. Does it just come down to the Porsche badging and a number of small Porsche elements, or is there something lurking under the surface that we don't really understand? Another thing that comes to mind is how will this impact other custom modifications and Porsche workshops? RWB is a body kit, and I don't think that is ever going to be questioned by Porsche. Emery Motorsport Porsche 356s are clearly advertised on their website as Porsche 356 restored by Emery. It's still a Porsche 356. Yes, it comes with an Emery Rothsport engine. However, in essence, it's a Porsche 356 restored. Gunther Works is a little bit different, and we might need to save that for another video. So what are we going to see over the next few months? Are we going to see this fizzle out and the new Singers get delivered with the Porsche logo removed from the side of the car, removed from the back, and just some minor modifications to the car so it doesn't have Porsche written all over it? Or are we going to see something more serious happen between these two? Are we going to see Singer delay their next set of deliveries? Are we going to see the cars really change at all? Let's see what happens over the next few months, because I don't think this is going to end quickly. Stay tuned, because we're going to keep an eye on this, because this could have a massive impact on the Porsche community, and especially with all the modifications and restorations that happen. We'll keep you updated, but until then, drive safely.